Hello, my name is John. I am an FCC licensed amateur radio operator. My call sign is AG7BY, or phonetically, Alpha Golf 7 Bravo Yankee. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I will use an online synthesized voice, as I believe that it will enhance consistency and intelligibility to my audio. Feedback, of course, is hoped for. I also hope you find this topic interesting. Thanks for watching. And now, today's topic. This is a screenshot of a bash script that I wrote to program my LMX2346SLB Frequency Synthesizer evaluation board. Basically, that synthesizer requires that two registers be loaded through a microwire serial interface. The program facilitates the loading and modifying of the register values. The registers are composed of control fields that specify the synthesizer operation. The program output will of course not make much sense without technical information from the datasheet of the LMX2346SLB. So I will postpone its discussion until I can go over some of that. It is an interactive program, allowing the user to specify a scan of frequencies, and, more generally, specify all the programming options for the synthesizer. To make the program more user-friendly and similar to operating a radio, I have a dedicated hardware interface of rotary knobs and buttons as used in radio faceplates, the goal being to eventually use the software in a radio design with a possibly different signal source. My substitute faceplate is a MIDI keyboard with knobs and buttons. It is normally used for music performance, but it allows an easy change of purpose. To keep this introduction brief, I will try to quickly show how these parts, the synthesizer, SDR waterfall, bash program, and MIDI controller, work together. So here, I compose some software screenshots and cameras to observe and analyze the signals that are being output by the synthesizer. To summarize, I use the MIDI keyboard to interact with the software, which programs the synthesizer. In the bash program screen, in the left column, you may see field values change as I manipulate the MIDI device off-screen. In the waterfall, you should see a strong signal source that scans back and forth in steps. And the lower left has a camera view of a simultaneously connected frequency counter. The frequencies will not match up, but that is for a later discussion, maybe a topic for the watering hole. I would love to hear input and feedback from anyone with an interest in this project.